Hey urban citizens, Eid Mubarak to all our amazing viewers celebrating around the world. As Muslims around the world celebrate this most important Islamic holiday, we found this compelling story to share with you. Whether you're watching from Sierra Leone, the US, Pakistan, Indonesia, Germany, or anywhere in between. Today, we're taking you on a journey to one of the most inspiring places on earth. A country where religion doesn't divide, it unites. Welcome to the beautiful West African nation of Sierra Leone, probably the most religiously tolerant country in the world. Now, if you've ever wondered whether peaceful religious coexistence is even possible in today's world, let me show you a country that's not just making it happen, they're living it. Let's get into it. Sierra Leone is a small West African nation with a population of just over 8 million people. The majority of the population, about 78%, are Muslim. Around 20% are Christian, and the remaining 2% follow traditional African beliefs or other religions. Despite these differences in faith, one thing stands out: unity and religious tolerance. Picture this. It's Sunday morning, the day of Eid, in Sierra Leone's second city, Bo. At Christ the King College, a Catholic school that also has a church and a residence for priests, thousands of Muslims gather on the same school grounds to observe Eid prayers. Yep, you heard that right. While Muslims line the field in rows, facing Mecca, celebrating the end of Ramadan, just a few steps away inside the Catholic Church, Sunday Mass was happening at the same time. No conflict, no police presence, no crowd control, just pure coexistence. The sounds of the Eid prayer and the Catholic hymns may have blended in the air, but on the ground, it was all peace, respect, and unity. Now, that is something special. But that's not all. At the Presidential Lodge in Freetown, the capital city, something equally powerful took place. President Julius Maada Bio, a practicing Catholic, invited top leaders of the opposition, including a former vice president, a fierce critic of the president, and a presidential hopeful from the rival All People's Congress Party, to pray and celebrate Eid together. Yes, political rivals, different faiths, one prayer, one people. In Sierra Leone, religion is bigger than politics. In a country that's often divided along political lines, this level of spiritual unity is rare and powerful. For Sierra Leoneans, religion isn't what divides them, it's what brings them together. And it's not just the big events, it's the everyday vibe during Ramadan. Here's the thing, in Sierra Leone, even non-Muslims honor the month of fasting. It's like there's this unwritten rule. People adjust their dress codes out of respect. Cafes and restaurants cut back on daytime meals. Christian families and neighbors send over iftar meals or join their Muslim friends to break fast. Tell me, where else do you see that happening so effortlessly? It's not about religion, it's about being human. And just when you think you've seen it all, there was a public event recently where a Catholic priest held the mic for a Muslim cleric during a prayer. No ceremony, no speech, just one person supporting another, no matter the faith. In a world where religious differences often lead to conflict, Sierra Leone is quietly teaching the rest of us what it means to coexist. It's not perfect, no country is. But the spirit of mutual respect, the way people show up for each other across faith lines, it's something the whole world could learn from. You've got Muslim imams praying for Christian weddings. You've got Christians attending Muslim funerals. And today, on this beautiful Eid Sunday, we witnessed both Eid prayers and Sunday Mass happening side by side in Bo. No friction, no hate, just love. So if you're watching this from somewhere else in the world, what's it like in your country? Do people from different religions celebrate together? Drop a comment. We'd love to hear your stories. Let's build a global thread of hope and humanity. If this story inspired you even half as much as it inspired us, Smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. And to our viewers celebrating around the world, Eid Mubarak from the land of peace and tolerance, Sierra Leone.